Hello students, myself Rahul Mishra, and today we will discuss the chapter number 2, acid, bases and salt, and we will continue from the last topic, which is numerical based on pH value. So listen, your next numerical is, if a solution having pH is 4, then calculate the concentration of hydrogen ion. This is the concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxide or hydroxyl ion. So listen, if question, in this question, listen, now we solve this question. In this question, the given data is pH is equal to 4. So listen, we all know that pH is equal to 4, and we all know that pH is equal to minus log H plus ion. You know about this formula. And listen, there is another formula, H ion is equal to 10 to the power minus pH. H ion concentration will be equal to 10 to the power minus pH. So listen, you have to calculate the concentration of hydrogen ion. It means you have to find the value of concentration of hydrogen ion. pH आपको दी गई है, H ion concentration हमें बतानी है. So listen, we will use this formula. So H ion concentration will be equal to 10 to the power minus pH, and it is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. So this will be the concentration of H ion, and it is capital M, or we can say it is 10 to the power minus 4. Capital M means mole per liter. Mole per liter. So this will be the concentration of H plus ion. So listen, in this question, second thing, you have to calculate the concentration of hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion, it is also called as hydroxyl ion. So listen, H ion concentration हमें पता चल गई है. अब हम निकालेंगे क्या? Hydroxide ion concentration. So what will be hydroxide ion concentration? So listen, we know that a formula H ion into OH minus ion, it is equal to होता है 10 to the power minus 14. Concentration of H ion into concentration of OH ion, it is equal to 10 to the power minus 14, or concentration of H ion into concentration of hydroxyl ion, it is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So listen, you have to find concentration of hydroxyl ion, and we have already found the concentration of H plus ion. Now put the value of concentration of H plus ion here, and it will become 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by concentration of OH minus ion, and it is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So listen, concentration of OH minus ion will become, now we can write, it is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 divided by 10 to the power minus 4. Now listen, it will become 10 to the power minus 14 plus 4. ये पावर जब ऊपर आएगी तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी, and this will become 10 to the power minus 10. So listen, you can see the concentration of OH minus ion, it is 10 to the power minus 10, capital M, and the concentration of H plus ion, it is 10 to the power minus 4m. So all of you note down it, and I hope you have noted it. Now we will discuss the next numerical problem. So question number 6. Now we will discuss the question number 6. Question number 6 is calculate the pH of what is the pH of H2S solution. So this is important question. So it has been asked into UP board examination, what is the pH of H2S solution, and there are 4 options. Option number 1, it is less than 7, it is less than 7, B is greater than 7, C is equal to 7, and D is none of these. So how will you solve this question? आप इस question को कैसे solve करेंगे? So you have to find out the pH of H2S solution. So listen, we all know that H2S. So listen, when it will get break, then it will form H plus ion. How many H plus ion? It will form 2 H plus ion, and listen, S2 minus ion. So H2S will give 2 H plus ion. H2S hydrogen ion देता है, and listen, all the compound which produce H plus ion, then they acts as acid. It means ऐसे compound जो H plus ion देते हैं वो acid की तरह behave करते हैं. So listen, and we all know that from pH scale. What is pH scale? So pH scale is used to determine the nature of solution. So listen, we all know that in case of pH scale, there is pH values. It means यहाँ पर कुछ pH values mentioned होती हैं from 0 to 14. At center 7 pH is exist. Now listen, when pH is less than 7, it means we are talking about this range. जब pH 7 से कम होती है तो solution का nature होता है acidic. It means जब pH 0 से 7 के बीच में होगी तो solution का nature होगा acidic. If pH lies in the range of 7 to 14, then the nature of solution will be basic. And if pH lies, or we can say pH is equal to 7, then the nature of solution will be neutral. It means at pH equal to 7, the nature of solution will be neutral. So this is the case where pH is greater than 7. It means pH अगर 7 से कम है तो सॉल्यूशन का नेचर एसिडिक होगा, अगर pH 7 के बराबर है तो सॉल्यूशन का नेचर न्यूट्रल होगा, और अगर pH 7 से ज्यादा है या 7 से 14 के बीच में लाई कर रही है तो सॉल्यूशन का नेचर बेसिक होगा. So listen, you can see here H2S acts as acid. It means its solution will be acidic. So pH will be less than 7. It means first option A will be correct. First option A will be correct. All of you note down it. Now we will solve next question. So next question is, what is the question number 7? What is the pH of pure water? What is the pH of pure water? It is also very important question for your examination. So listen, and the options are same as previous. First one is less than 7, second one is greater than 7, third one is equal to 7, and fourth one is none of these. So which option will be correct? So listen, we all know that H2O means pure water. Pure water is neutral in nature. So its pH will be equal to 7. हमें पता है जो प्योर वाटर है वो न्यूट्रल होता है, इसलिए इसकी pH 7 के बराबर होगी. इट मीन्स विच ऑप्शन विल बी करेक्ट? ऑप्शन सी विल बी करेक्ट. pH is equal to 7. So listen, you can make this scale. This is pH scale and this is nature of solution. This is nature of solution. ये solution का nature है. So listen, this is pH scale. This is nature of solution and these are pH values 0, 7 and 14. So these are pH values and this is called as pH scale.